Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 millionaire habits that have completely transformed my life. As we all know, becoming a millionaire is not an easy feat, but these habits can help you get on the right path and make success a lot more achievable. So, if you're ready to take your life to the next level, stick around till the end of the video because I'm about to share with you the 5 millionaire habits that have made a huge difference in my life. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Setting specific goals. Millionaires know exactly what they want to achieve in life and they set specific goals to help them get there. They break down their goals into smaller, more manageable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Setting specific goals is important because it helps you stay focused and motivated. When you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you're more likely to take action towards it. Without specific goals, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose sight of what's really important. So, if you want to start living like a millionaire, take some time to set specific goals for yourself. Write them down and create a plan to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey towards success. Habit number 2. Managing time wisely. Millionaires understand that time is a valuable resource, and they use it wisely. They prioritize their tasks and focus on the most important ones first. Prioritizing tasks is important because it helps you get more done in less time. When you know what's most important, you can focus your energy on those tasks and make the most of your time. This allows you to be more productive and achieve your goals faster. So, if you want to start managing your time like a millionaire, start by prioritizing your tasks. Make a list of everything you need to get done and then rank them in order of importance. Focus your energy on the most important tasks first and then move on to the less important ones. This will help you make the most of your time and achieve your goals more quickly. Habit number 3. Continuously learning. Millionaires never stop learning and they are always looking for ways to improve themselves. They invest in their own personal and professional development, whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or taking courses. Continuously learning is important because it helps you stay ahead of the game. The world is constantly changing, and if you're not learning and growing, you'll fall behind. By investing in your own development, you'll gain new skills and knowledge that will help you achieve your goals and stay relevant in your industry. So, if you want to start living like a millionaire, make a commitment to continuously learn and grow. Read books, attend seminars, take courses, and invest in your own development. This will help you stay ahead of the game and achieve your goals more quickly. Habit number 4. Taking calculated risks. Millionaires understand that taking risks is a necessary part of achieving success. However, they also understand the importance of taking calculated risks. Taking calculated risks means assessing the potential risks and rewards before making a decision. It means weighing the pros and cons and making an informed decision based on the information available. Taking calculated risks is important because it can lead to great rewards. When you take a calculated risk, you are stepping outside of your comfort zone and pushing yourself to try new things. This can lead to new opportunities and can help you achieve your goals faster. Habit number 5. Having a positive mindset. Millionaires understand that their mindset plays a big role in their success, and they work hard to maintain a positive attitude. Having a positive mindset means focusing on the good in every situation, even when things get tough. It means believing in yourself and your abilities, and not giving up in the face of obstacles. Having a positive mindset is important because it can help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to take action towards your goals and make them a reality. To sum up, the 5 millionaire habits that we've discussed today are: setting specific goals, managing time wisely, continuously learning, taking calculated risks, having a positive mindset. Including these habits into your life can help you achieve success and reach your goals faster. Millionaires understand the importance of these habits and have used them to achieve their own success. So, I encourage you to start including these habits into your own life. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.